Hello everybody, this video is going to be a little different. So today, I'm going to teach you how to mod Anton Blast. And, we're going to be using Undertale mod tool. This is used to primarily mod Undertale. However, it is also used as a source to mod any game using the engine Game Maker Studio, which is an engine I'm using to make my own video game one day. So, today, we're going to look how to mod Anton Blast. So, you saw last time that Edda was there, right? Edda was there. So now we're gonna mod Annie, and I'm thinking of the character to mod. Let's do Bendy from Bendy and the Ink Machine. Okay, so first things first, right? We're gonna open up a file. You wanna open it up, and now in this top area right here, what you wanna do is you wanna go to Steam. If I can get it open. These are the files for Anton Blast. So what you want to do, go up here, press Ctrl C, go into Undertale mod tool, put it here, and then you want to click on this blue icon. And it's going to load the files for the game. And it's going to tell you that, you just press OK. And now we're at the sprites. So real quick, let's look up Anton, and let's do let's do boss victory. Yeah, see, there's Edda, because I've already modded these files for him to be in it. So now, we're gonna mod Annie's files, so let's go find Annie's. Let's just start simple with just the idle. An idle stare. I think it's glare you want to do. It's one of these, I don't know. But one of these needs to be modded. So the first thing you want to do now, press export all frames. Frame. Oh man, I am just not good at this today, aren't I? So, as you can see here, what we got here is Edda Blast files. So we want to go to sprites, and I have Edda underscore Anton. We'll call this one Bendy underscore Annie. So now here, we'll go in here. Let's just create another folder just for simplicity. We'll call this Idols for all the idle animations. And save the files. And you want to press no. You want to press no for padding. Okay. Now here comes a part that's a little bit tricky. You need to have a drawing site you use. So for me, I use this a sprite. And for a sprite, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to open. Gonna go to Edda Blast sprites. Bendy Annie, go to Idols, open this folder, and here's the issue. If I click on this, and I press play, all these frames, right? And this isn't an issue with this, it's going to be an issue in the future. When there's several frames, the border is going to fit to fill all those frames. And when I'll have to explain it later in deeper depth. So what you want to do is you want to rename this to 0. Open this up, so that way it doesn't port in all the frames at once. And now, let's make Bendy. So, I'm gonna cut this. So as you can see here, I have drawn Bendy over this layer of Annie. If there's a couple things I would add though, it'd definitely be one more arm back here. Give this illusion, you know. This is the first frame of Idle, so what you want to do, you want to save it, and here's what you want to do. You want to name it the name of the character, and then the frame number, which is going to be 0. You're going to ask me this stupid crap, and I'm going to press OK. And then you rinse and repeat for the rest, so I'll skip when we get back to. So now, as you see here, I have now worked on the second frame. So now we're going to save this as Bendy. If I could type correctly, 1. So, save. And now, we're gonna go here. And now, you just wanna... So, what you wanna do now is you wanna click on the frame you wanna do. So, for us, we wanna do Annie's first idle animation. We're gonna go to Bendy Idols. And we're gonna click here. We're gonna pick this image of Bendy. And now the sprite has been replaced. Same with this one, the blinking animation. Now here's the thing about this. if an animation gets reused anywhere in the sprite sheets, so for instance, this idol of Bendy, if it is used anywhere else, what I just imported here is gonna copy to all those other ones, so you won't have to do those. So there's 4 more here, but that's the thing, they're the same one, so they're already replaced. So as you can see here, the animation is him like kind of, if you can see closely, it's him blinking, and he's just like hunching down to blink. Alright, remember, we're just doing the idols because, you know, I'm not... This is gonna be... If I release this mod, you guys are gonna have to play this. It's gonna be my character and a character I really like. I can't believe Bendy is 8 years old already. So, I don't know what is the correct one here, so let's do, glare. If I make Bendy, I'm gonna have to, like, give him, like, a hammer or something. I'm gonna have to, like, rewatch some Bendy videos and get some ideas, but, so now we're gonna do this one, so we're gonna go to idols, and we're gonna put this in idle stare. No, and I'll see you guys when I finish those. Hey everybody, so real quick, I made a Bendy, like, sprite sheet. I did this with Edda too, where I made a bunch of different, like, drawings of him at different angles, so I wouldn't have to meticulously go through and, make each individual single one. I'm really proud of this. I don't know why I need the feel to mention it, but, like, I'm extremely... never mind. I'm really proud with how this front... I just wanted to show that off. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work. Hey, everybody, I'm back. Okay, so... Now, I made all the frames for idle stare. So, we're gonna put in 0, and you're just gonna go in one by one, doing this. Now, luckily, this one definitely reuses. Oh, not that one, I guess. Never mind. I guess I'll have to go back and do that. That's fun. Okay, never mind. All of them were used. Okay, we're done with the idols. Another thing I want to do real quick, right? So you saw in the video, I was scrolling through Reddit's stuff. You could see he was able to use the spray paints. Here's a crazy thing you can do. So, instead of idle here, put in pallet. Okay, so I don't know how to spell. There's no such... Okay. Palette. This is the palette. This will allow you to... Like, any color you put on your custom... Here, let me show you how to do this. Okay, so first things first, we're going to export this. Let's just, like, put it in... just here. No. So now we want to go to Bendy. Open this. This very first, it's going to be the very first thing. So what colors does Bendy use? We got tan, black, and white. So let's first do black. So this very first color. Let's do the tan he has here. And white's already there, so we should be good. So here's what's happening, right? These first colors are a thing, right? It changes the color. That's how Anton Blast works. They pick the colors from this very first row, which is what the colors Annie and Anton uses. And then it's going to be like, oh, change the green into this. Change the green into this. But since we have black and tan and white, it's now going to correspond to Bendy's colors. So now what we do, let's save this. Put it here. Yes. We're gonna go over here. Oh, whoops. Import. Put this here. Alright, now to save it. You want to press File, Save. And now it doesn't know where to go. So, reopen this here. The top bar. Go back here. Place it here. And you want to save over the current data. Now, remember to make 2 separate datas. Remember that. Remember to make 2 separate datas. One for the modded game and one for your regular game. Alright. I'm just letting you guys know so you guys don't accidentally write over your save. And now you have to play as Edda and Bendy for the rest of Anton Blast. So now, let's just play the game. Let's hit that idol. Oh wow, that was like surprisingly really good. Okay. Yeah, so here we go. Now, here's the issue. Because Bendy is only 3 colors, these aren't gonna be good. I'm sorry, guys, but like this is awful. I really should have thought about this. This looks awful. I'm so sorry. So that's basically how you do it. Now, I want to finish this, and I'm gonna obviously finish Bendy because now. Because also I'm gonna do. So let's go back to Etta. Let's go back to Etta. So if you guys have any suggestions for this Bendy one, because I think I might do Bendy and Etta bundled together, just let me know. Let me know in the comments, guys. I would really love feedback. I mean it. I really do. That's gonna do it for this video. That's how you mod it. Yep. Wave goodbye, Etta, and you too, Bendy.